Hey guys, Smalls and Talls here. We are at Brasstown Bald in Georgia. It's the highest point in Georgia at 4,784 feet. We're going to be hiking up to the observation deck.
Let's hit the trail.
Guys, that's where we are headed. Alright guys, we are on the trail. We are leaving down here at the visitor center, heading up to the observation deck. There's a museum up top. Hopefully it'll be open, but I'm not sure with all of the stuff going on. This is a 6/10 of a mile hike up. We're gonna take our time heading up today. Told Snack Pack that we'll take our time and she can hike the whole thing. Alright guys, let's get hiking. Alright guys, we are here to the halfway point. Hey Snack Pack, how do you like the trail?
Good.
Is it hard? Are you so tired? Alright, we're gonna take a break here. Alright guys, here we are. We have made it to the observation tower. Pretty tough 6/10 of a mile. Everyone made it. Everyone did good. Alright guys, that right there in front of us, the highest peak you can see straight out the distance, that is Standing Indian in North Carolina. And then right over here you can see straight out there, that is Bald. That is where Underbred and I did Bald, Tellico Gap, Western Bald, all the way to the Nana Hill Outdoor Center last weekend. Alright guys, this is gorgeous up here. Definitely come. Alright guys, if you look straight there, as far as you can see, I don't even know if you can see it from here, but that is the highest point on the Appalachian Trail at 6,643 feet. That is Clingman's Dome. That is in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park, and that's another one that we highly recommend going to. Okay guys, right there you can see Lake Chatoog. Guys, there's Blood Mountain right there, and then right over here is Springer, where it all begins. Okay guys, as you can see straight out there, that peak, that is Mount Yonah, and down here below you can see our parking area. That is about a half mile down. Guys, this is the eastern view. You can see we start there at Yonah. Head over here, that is Trey Mountain. All the way over here to Pigeon Mountain. Okay guys, we are in the observation tower here. There's a museum that you can go around, and the kids are doing a scavenger hunt. So we're gonna go around and find everywhere that you see this little bear is a clue. And then you fill in the blank answers to complete the scavenger hunt. Alright guys, we are heading back down the path here. I had a great time up there at the observation deck. The kids got to do a scavenger hunt where you learn a lot of the history and also track down a bunch of the animals that they have in there. They had fox, flying squirrels, 2 black bears, some deer, turkey, other stuff too. Alright guys, we're gonna head on down to the car and head on out of here. Not sure where we're going. It's 3 o'clock now, so we're gonna hit the trail. Alright, let's get hiking. Alright guys, here we are. We have made it down. Down is definitely easier than up. Alright guys, as you can see, we have made it back down to the car. We are heading down the mountain here, leaving Brasstown Bald. Excellent place. I highly recommend you guys go there if you haven't been. It's been 70 degrees today and not very many clouds in the sky at all. We really appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that bell so you get notifications of our up and coming videos. Alright guys, for now, S&T, peace out.